My name is Aria. I am 20 years old and live in a busy city. I am a university student and I share an apartment with my older sister, Nora. Our parents passed away in a car accident when I was 10, so Nora raised me as though she were both sister and mother. She is strong, patient, and protective. Nora is brilliant. She teaches history at the university. She is married to Professor Daniel Reed, a lecturer at the same institution. People admire him for being calm, polite, and soft-spoken. To everyone else, Nora and Daniel look like the perfect couple. Nora trusted him completely. They married for love, and she cherished him very deeply. But inside me, something feels off. Sometimes I notice how he looks at me, and every time discomfort spreads through me. I tell myself I'm imagining things, but deep down I know it isn't right. One evening, as I sit on my bed, my phone buzzes with a message from Daniel. He writes, "You looked beautiful today. I can't get you off my mind." My heart pounds. Why would he send that? Maybe it's a mistake. I don't reply. But soon more arrive. "Let's have dinner. I know you feel it too, Aria." I feel nervous, cornered. The next day, he waits outside my lecture hall. He tells me, "You're special." I walk away quickly. Later, flowers appear, followed by messages confessing his love and promises of forever. My stomach twists. I cry in the bathroom, terrified, but even more terrified of hurting Nora, my sister, my anchor. Then, one night, he shows up at my door. I open it and see him standing there. I'm frozen. He says, "I had to see you. I love you, Aria. Please give me a chance." When he tries to touch my hand, I break free, shouting, "Leave, or I'll call the police." Startled, he backs away and leaves. I slam the door, lock it, and collapse in tears. I know I can't keep this secret. The next day, I go to Nora and try to confess, but just as I'm about to speak, she beams and says, "Daniel and I are trying for a baby. I'm so happy." My words die in my throat. I can't crush her joy. I stay silent, suffocating under the weight of the truth. But Daniel doesn't stop. He corners me, hisses that I must love him, that it doesn't matter if I'm Nora's sister. My skin crawls. At last, my breaking point comes. I go to Nora in tears, trembling, and blurt out what he has been doing. Instead of believing me, her face hardens. With rage and denial, she slaps me and screams, "You're a liar! You're jealous! You're no sister of mine!" Then the words that shatter me. "You are dead to me." Alone, abandoned, my friend Clara calls with anger in her voice. Daniel twisted the story, painting me as the one chasing him. No one believes me. I feel isolated, shrinking into despair. But then something inside me shifts. I print every single message, every screenshot, every photo of those unwanted gifts. A stack of proof rests in my shaking hands. At the university office, I gather my courage. "Please, I need help. Daniel isn't who he pretends to be. Here is the proof." They read in heavy silence before saying, "This is serious. We will investigate." Days later, they call me back. They tell me they believe me. For the first time, I feel the icy weight begin to lift. They show Nora the evidence. Her hands tremble as she reads, her face draining of all colour. Tears fill her eyes as she whispers, "I told you lied. He told me you wanted him. Oh God, I was wrong. I hurt you. I didn't believe you." That night, Nora comes to me holding my old childhood teddy bear. She breaks down, ashamed. "Aria, please forgive me. I should have trusted you. I chose him over you. I don't deserve you, but I love you. We cried together, both broken, but clinging to one another. Nora files for divorce. In court, she looks Daniel in the eyes and says, "You betrayed me in the worst way possible. You tried to take my sister, the very person I love most. You disgust me." She walks away without looking back. Weeks pass. The pain takes time, but slowly we begin to heal. We live together again, stronger, bound by love and survival. And I've learned something. Sometimes the people we love, trust, and admire can betray us in ways that break our hearts. But the truth, no matter how buried, always rises. Do not suffer in silence. Speak your truth even when no one believes you. One day it will be heard. One day it will set you free.